All right, good morning. Welcome to another BowmanWebServices.com video. Today's video is about a GPT. And if you don't know what a GPT is, it's off the back of ChatGPT. And this GPT is actually focused on veterans. Okay, so if you're a veteran and you're looking to navigate the VA, you need some answers and you need answers quick, right? I helped to build this thing, and honestly, it's really programmed with just a couple of resources. One's like va.gov, and another one's a document thing within the VA. And ultimately, it has a bunch of individual documents uploaded to it, so it has a brain that kind of just basically can overview a lot of VA related stuff. If you're a caretaker, if you're a veteran, this is something you might want to take a look at. I highly encourage you to pop over here. It's totally free. You create a free account. Honestly, a paid account's like 20 bucks a month, but you don't really need that. You can hop over here and you can actually talk to this thing. And let's take a second. I want to show this to you because it's powerful. It's a powerful little tool. And maybe there's better ones out there, but at least this gets you on a path, right? And so, hello, my friend. I want you to introduce yourself to Veterans of America and tell them how you can help support them in getting services and help from the VA.
Absolutely, my friend. Here's how I'd introduce myself to Veterans of America. Hello, Veterans of America. I'm an AI-powered tool designed to help you navigate the VA with ease. Whether you need disability benefits, caregiver support, healthcare.
Oops, it messed up. Sometimes it does that. Sometimes you just got to refresh the bad boy, right? Please continue. You goofed.
Got it. Let me make sure I get this right. Hello, Veterans of America. I'm an AI-powered tool built to help you get the VA benefits and services you deserve, quickly, clearly, and without the usual headaches. Whether you're filing a disability claim, checking eligibility for presumptive conditions, applying for caregiver support, or appealing a decision, I break it all down into simple, step-by-step guidance so you know exactly what to do next. No more confusion, no endless searching, just straight answers to help you get the support you earned. I know the system can be overwhelming, but you're not alone in this. I'm here to help you take control, find the right programs, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. So let's get started. Tell me what you need, and I'll guide you every step of the way. How's that? Want it more direct, or do you want me to tweak it for a certain group of veterans?
No, we're actually talking to the veterans right now. You're on a screencast, so let's be direct and to the point. I want you to tell them that, when they're using you, how secure is it? Are you copying their information? Are you sending it anywhere? Are they able to fill out forms? What exactly can you tell them about how secure their conversation is with you and how personal it is?
Got it. Let's be clear and direct. Veterans, when you use this AI tool, your privacy is protected. I don't collect, store, or share any of your personal information. Nothing you say here gets saved, tracked, or sent anywhere. This is a secure, private conversation designed to help you navigate the VA system with confidence. Now, while I can guide you step by step on filling out VA forms, you'll still need to submit them yourself through the official VA website or by mail. I can't file claims for you, but I can make sure you understand what you need, where to send it, and how to avoid mistakes that could slow down your benefits. So ask away. This is your space to get the answers you need without worry. How's that? Anything else you want to emphasize?
All right, and so anything you say, this thing will keep private. Also note that it will keep answering, and you can keep asking and answering questions. It'll just keep going and going and going, and it'll keep building off of that same thought, right? It's not like Google, right? This thing is extremely smart, and it's getting smarter every day. And so just note, if you hold push this little speaker thing, and again, you can get this on your phone, right? You can get this on a laptop and on a tablet. And so you just hit the little speaker thing, it'll mute it, and then it'll sit here idle, right? If you hit the X, it takes you back, and everything it talks about, if it gives you any links, any resources, it'll all be here in the chat. And then boom, you can hop right back here and continue your conversation. All right, tell me how you get caregiver support. I need some links.
You can access VA caregiver support through the Caregiver Support Program, CSP. Here are the key resources and links. VA Caregiver Support Program homepage. Learn about available resources, financial aid, and caregiver training. www.caregiver.va.gov. Please open your app to see this link. Apply for the Program of Comprehensive Assistance for Family Caregivers, PCAFC. If you're caring for a veteran with a serious service-connected injury, you may be eligible for a monthly stipend, respite care, and more. www.gov/family member benefits/comprehensive assistance for family caregivers. Please open your app to see this link. Caregiver Support Line CSL. Call 1-855-2603.
All right, and then again, if it hit the X and you hop down here, you're gonna actually get to find links. Now, sometimes the links are broken. You might have to copy them, right, and then go to them direct. But in this case, that link is working. You can see it in the bottom corner, bottom left-hand corner, right? You can see that link is not working correctly. That one's working correctly. So sometimes it goofs, but it should at least get you pointed in the right direction, right? And honestly, you can always post some comments and tell me, that I've done a horrible job, done a great job. Honestly, some feedback, and I will put the time into developing a tool that helps support you better. Now, I know the VA has something like this, but I think the VA is just really out to kill you veterans. I don't think they're trying to support you very well at all. And at the end of the day, we can debate that also in the comments. Listen, if there's something I could do to make this thing better, I want to do that. Honestly, my father's a Navy vet. He was down there for 10 years. He was down there for the Cuban Missile Crisis and a radio man that helped chase a nuclear-armed Russian submarine out of our waters. And ultimately, he went over to Vietnam, did some salvage operations, and was, he became a brown water vet. He was drinking the water, which is why he is extremely sick. And so, for those that were boots on the ground, you guys got to be way sicker than he is. And I am just so sorry that our country did that to you and has pretty much neglected a lot of you. Honestly, take a minute. I believe this tool with all my heart can help you, can help your family. And if you're a caretaker, God bless you, because it is not easy. I deal with a Navy vet who is just one stubborn man, and honestly, he's got it in his mind that the Navy or the VA has totally betrayed him, and it's a shame. It really is what this country has done to its veterans. And these guys really supported this nation, even if you're not into that whole Vietnam thing. We shouldn't have been there, whatever. At the end of the day, these guys did their part, and a lot of them were actually drafted. My father went in, of his own will, but a lot of people were drafted and were forced to go over there and now are sick and dying. This type of stuff, just makes our country look bad. And honestly, if you're somebody that's considering getting into the military these days, I would seriously caution you. And here's why. First off, they're going to give you some kind of education stuff. They're going to give you some stipends, some stuff like that. But at the end of the day, just look what they've done to every veteran in any military conflict, even Desert Storm. They've totally screwed the majority of them right on down the line. It's just a shame. And honestly, the new VA secretary needs to totally, set that all right. Honestly, we cannot be taking care of people that cross our border illegally better than we do our veterans. And honestly, please take a second, share, tell a friend about this tool, come use it, test it, tell me where it's working, where it's not working, and I'm going to make a version 2 of this in the days coming up. Hey, thank you so much. Appreciate your time and consideration of this tool. I hope it's a blessing to you and yours. Have a great day.